Hi friends. I would like to show you the changes at my little pergola or gazebo, whatever. This is a place where I'm resting. I have shown to you yellow and gold blossoming some time ago. It's still in blossom, but this variety of the roses, of yellow roses, they're changing the color when aging and become some lovely pinkish dots or spots on it, which change the appearance dramatically. Very nice kind of roses for decoration. Have a look at that. I admire it, really, so nice. That one is really old, but still pretty. Have a look. But what I have from other side, it's new. It's pink one. This is the label. Clumbing, Dorothy Perkins. It's traditional, wonderful variety, but it's a little bit deceiving because on the ticket, on the label, it's not that pink, not that bright. Probably it's my caring change appearance of that roses because I put a lot of effort. Little ones are something like 10 months. I planted last year. Have a look, for 10 months they become just big one and clumping nicely and prolific blossoming. Have a look. So 2-in-1 gazebo, depending of your mood. If you're very romantic, you can look at the pink one. If you're energetic and ready to go to do it or whatever, it would be good to sitting and looking at the yellow side. Yellow ones still having a lot of buds, so they are not going to stop of blooming up to a deep autumn, sometime up to the winter. But second wave of prolific blooming would happen at March. So every year we have 2 waves of blossoming, so we are blessed of that situation. It's really nice. Thank you for watching. Today is Friday. Some people call it Black Friday, but for me it's Bright Friday. So have a nice weekend. See you next time.